All right, everybody, welcome back. We're diving into the Greater Vancouver real estate market today.
Sounds exciting.
It is, and we're using the October 2024 Real Estate Market Report.
Oh, nice. So fresh.
Hot off the presses. And get this, sales are surging. Could be the start of something big, a real upswing.
Interesting. I mean, isn't the economy still a bit,
Yeah, things are a bit shaky, for sure.
Right.
But that's what makes it so interesting.
Yeah.
So let's look at the numbers, okay? October saw 2,632 properties sold,
Wow.
which is a 32% jump from last year.
Huge.
And it's the biggest month-over-month increase since, early 2022.
So we were kind of flatlining before.
Totally, yeah. So this is a big deal.
It is. And you know what's crazy? At the same time, new listings are way up, too.
Oh, yeah?
Like 5,577 new listings just in October.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Second highest since 1991. So it's not just buyers coming back. There's more to choose from, too.
So why the sudden surge? The report mentions the Bank of Canada cutting interest rates.
Right.
50 basis points.
Cheaper to borrow.
Exactly. And there's talk of even more cuts, maybe December or January.
Interesting.
Do you think that's what's driving this?
Well, it definitely helps. Makes it easier to buy, gives people confidence. We've seen that before.
Yeah.
But it's not just about cheap loans, right? It's also about how people feel about the economy in general.
Absolutely, that makes sense. And the report also mentions policy changes coming in December.
Oh, right.
They're going to allow 30-year amortizations for pre-sale buyers and increase the insured mortgage threshold to $1.5 million.
Oh, wow. That's a lot.
Big changes.
Yeah, this is going to make a difference.
What do you think the impact will be?
Well, it'll definitely make homeownership easier for some folks.
How so?
Longer amortization means lower monthly payment.
Right, makes it more manageable.
Exactly. But of course, you pay more interest over time.
The trade-off.
Right. You got to think long-term, do the math, see what works for you.
So true. Now, the report also talks about absorption rates, basically how fast properties are selling.
Yeah.
And they skyrocketed in October. So fewer homes are sitting around, more competition for buyers.
Yep. We see this most in townhomes and condos.
Really?
Yeah. Look at months of supply, which tells us how long it takes to sell all current listings.
Okay.
For townhomes, it's down to 4 months.
Whoa.
That's a seller's market. Sellers have the advantage, buyers need to be quick, maybe offer above asking.
Wow, so it's really heating up.
It is. Condos are similar, 4.5 months of supply.
Oh, so yeah, buy now or compete later, like the report says.
It seems that way.
But hold on, there's another factor. The U.S.
Yes.
Big events there, like the election, the Federal Reserve decisions, can affect us here.
Of course.
How so?
Well, they're our biggest trading partner, so their economy affects us directly. And they're doing better than us right now.
That's interesting.
So if their interest rates don't drop as much as ours, our dollar could weaken.
And that means...
We pay more for imports from the U.S.
I see. So it's a tough balancing act for the Bank of Canada.
Absolutely.
Cut rates too much, dollar weakens, don't cut enough, housing recovery stalls.
Exactly. It's all this economic noise, as the report calls it.
Right, more uncertainty.
Exactly.
So what's your prediction for the Greater Vancouver market for the rest of the year?
Well, October was good, could mean a strong finish.
Yep.
But those economic factors and potential policy changes could still have an impact.
So it's a bit of a wait-and-see situation.
Yeah, kind of a roller coaster right now.
A wild ride for sure.
Yeah.
So for our listeners, the big question is, what's your next move?
Right.
Jump in now or wait and see. Tough decision.
It is.
But like the report says, it might come down to buy now or compete later.
Something to think about.
For sure.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the Greater Vancouver real estate market.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.